Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an electronics store using Shopify. Now guys, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a 1 month for $1 one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. So first we're going to go on the top left here on the products section. We're going to click here on add products and you can see here that we're going to have a lot of blank spaces that we're going to fill with our products information. So first we're going to start with our title. For example, I'm going to start with my Roomba, and here for the description what we can do is we can either write our own description ourselves, or we can use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate a description for our product. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my AI of choice. So for example, I'm just going to use ChatGPT and I'm going to put here generate a short description of a Roomba. So once ChatGPT has done our description, we are just going to copy and paste it right over here. Here for the media section, we're going to click on upload new, and here we're going to choose the image of our product. You can see that once it has uploaded, it's going to appear right over here, and below the image we're going to have the category section. Now Shopify usually chooses a category on its own, and it's almost always correct, but if we click over here you can see that we can change it if we so wanted. Below the category section, we're going to have the pricing section. Here we can set a price to our product. Let's say that we're going to charge 20,000 pesos for this. And here we have a cost per item section. For example, let's say that each Roomba is going to cost us around $14,000. So our profit would be of $6,000 with a 30% profit of margin. So for inventory, we are just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of inventory. And here you can see that if we are going to do any shipping, we can also assign a weight to our products. If we go over here, you can see that we have a product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. Be sure to click here on collections. Be sure to add the product to your home page, and if we want we can put over here, for example, some tags. I'm going to put electronics, for example, and once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom and we are going to click on save. As you can see, we now have our first product uploaded. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products of my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done finishing that. So once we are done uploading all of our products, you can see here that I have added a smartwatch, a purple LED lights, and a humidifier. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over here to online store, and you can see that the first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be the theme of our store. So here if we go down, we can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a couple of free themes, and if we want to explore more of them, we can go over here on visit theme store, and as you can see here, it's going to redirect us to the theme shop of Shopify. Here we can find a lot of different themes. Maybe we can find one that better suits our website, but for me I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to customize our website. For example, I'm going to click over here on our first section. You can see that right over here is going to appear the name of the section, and it's going to be outlined by this blue line. And on the right, there's going to be a lot of different options that we're going to be able to change to customize our website. For example, I'm going to click over here on select image, and we're going to add an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to select this one, and once it's done uploading, we are going to click on done. And as you can see now, the background of our banner has now changed. Now the next thing that I'm going to change is going to be our heading. If you go here on the right, we can change the text. So for example, let's put welcome to my electronics shop. And as you can see, the text has now changed. Now, let's say that we want to add a section to our website. We're going to go over here on the left. We're going to click on Add Section where it says Template, and we're going to choose a section. We have a lot of different options. We have, for example, featured collections, featured products, collection list, and a lot of other options. I'm just going to choose a featured product over here, and you can see that a new section has now appeared at the bottom. We're going to click it, and over here on the right we're going to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to put my humidifier, and as you can see, now it's going to be displayed right here on this section. Now let's say that we want to change things up a little bit. For example, we're going to go over here and we're going to change the color scheme to a dark tone. As you can see, now the background of my section is going to change. Let's say that we have added a new section right over here by mistake. For example, a featured collection. It's going to appear right over here, and if we want to delete a section, what we're going to do is we're going to click it, and here on the bottom right there's going to be a remove section button. We're going to click it, and the section is going to be removed. Another very important thing that we can do is we can add a sections to our footer. We can add a email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same thing goes for our header. You can see that we can add a custom liquid if we know how to code, and an announcement bar right over here. Now, another very important thing about our header is this thing right over here. You can see that it says my store. Here our store name is going to be displayed. So if we want to change our name so that the thing here changes, we're going to click on save, we're going to click on exit, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, and here we would be able to change the name of our store. I'm just going to book electronics. I'm going to save, and as you can see, if we go to online store again, we click on customize. As you can see here in my header, the name of my store has now changed. Now the last thing that we're going to do for our store is we're going to click over here on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and here we are going to be able to see that everything is the way that we want it. So once we are done checking out our website and making sure that everything is okay, we're going to go to the analytics and marketing section. Now guys, this is a very important section for us because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, the sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value. We are also going to be able to see which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different things and information that is going to be really helpful for us to manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, the last thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the discount section. Here, if we click on add discount, we're going to choose amount of product. We are going to be able to customize our own discount for example, post on social media, or maybe gift to a friend, or however we would like to use it. So for starters, we're going to choose a code. We can click over here and Shopify is going to generate a random code for us, or we can just make one ourselves. For example, I'm going to put electronics 101, and this is going to be my code. Then we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage amount of discount, and it's going to be a 10%. Below it, we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to be applying to. So we're going to click on browse, and we're going to choose our home page. If we keep going down, we can see that we can further customize our discount. For example, we can choose the minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses for our discount, the combinations, and over here, if we click on set end date, we can choose a date for our discount to expire. For example, I'm going to choose today is the 11th, I'm going to choose the 18th, so that our discount would have a 1 week lifetime. Once we are done customizing our discount, we are going to click over here on save discount, and as you can see, if we go back, we are going to have our first discount ready. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a one-time deal for 1 month of at $1 of Shopify. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.